So how do you keep the maps always active on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so on the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch, locate the watch application where you get to manage every single thing, right? But then you need to find the general section, part of which you can see there is the background app refresh. And you need to make sure it's turned on generally, but once you have it turned on like specifically for all of the apps, you get to pick it specifically. So you can find the Maps applications. For example, if you're using Google Maps and you want the app to be active in the background, make sure it's turned on. Also, we have the Apple Maps, which on the watch, it's probably more useful than Google Maps because, the Google Maps will tell you just the directions, but on the Apple Maps, you actually get to like browse it, right? So yeah, you can see it, you can see like the map and everything. So it kind of depends on what exactly you need to do, but you just need to make sure in either case that it can run in the background. Of course, you could technically do it on the watch itself, where you as well go to the settings, general, and background app refresh. But as I mentioned in a couple of my videos, I prefer setting or changing these settings on the iPhone as the screen is much larger and it just makes more sense to me. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos.